Hi again, Year 2s. So we'll do our spelling now. Now today's focus is long vowels, the quit sound made by the letters Q and U, common contractions, so that's two words we put together like will not becomes won't, and vowel and consonant blends. So we'll start with long vowels. So sometimes A, E, I, O, U say their own names inside a word. These sounds are often called the long vowel sounds. The letter E often makes the other vowels take on these long vowel sounds, so we normally call it the magic E or super E. In words where there is a consonant and an E, the vowel before the consonant often says its own name. The E is silent at the end of the name. So, for example, words like hate, the vowel here is A, and the E, magic E, is making the A say his name. Ape, and the sound, long vowel sound here is A. Make, again, A. These, E. Theme, E. Tube, O. That one can be a bit of a tricky one because it sort of sounds like a double O sound. Okay, so now we have the quit sound. The letter Q is usually followed by U, and then it says the quit sound. So often we pronounce it with like a KW, quit. Okay, so some words start with the QU sound, so as in queen, quote, quiz, question, quest, and sometimes we have quit in the middle of a word. So for example, equal, squid, squeal, earthquake, squelch, squeeze. And then we have an exception down here. Now, occasionally there is an exception and the quit does not say a quit sound. So this one is plaque. It makes that k sound. So QU and then E on the end makes that k sound instead. Okay, so now we have our common contractions. And we have touched on this a little bit throughout Year 2, but we'll go into it a bit now. So contractions are formed when letters are left out of a word to shorten the word. Apostrophes, which is this thing, okay, are used to mark the place of the letters that have been left out. So for example, the O is left out of the word not in the word do not. And that turns into don't. Then we have does not, and what we're missing here again is the O out of not. Okay, cannot is the same, so we're missing the O here, and that turns into can't. Was not turns into wasn't, and we're missing the O here. Then we have is not, and we're missing the O in isn't. Are not, aren't, missing the O. Did not, didn't, missing the O. Okay, so then we have some verbs can be contracted after a pronoun. So for example, we have I am turns into I'm. We have the at left out there, and that's where the apostrophe is. You are makes your, okay, and we have the A again missing here, and that's where the apostrophe is. They are, there, A is missing. We are, where, we have the A missing. He is, he's, we're missing the I. She is, she's, missing the I. It is, it's, and we're missing the I here in is. Okay, so now we have our last part of the spelling for today, and that's the vowel consonant blends. So sometimes vowels blend with consonants. So for example, our first example is R. So A and R together make R, and we have words like far, farm, alarm, garden, hard. And we have the blend OR, that is for short, store, bore, before. Then we have ow as in cow, how, power, shower, owl. Then we have A, so AY blended together. So we have words like Monday, delay, play, and pay. Well, there you go, guys. We are done for today.